What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Amber Maria and I'll be showing you how I achieved this wash and go using the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian line. Now this particular clip is actually a day 4, yes, day 4 wash and go hair, and I'll be explaining a little bit more in depth within the video. Also, this is not a sponsored video at all. I honestly want to test out these products because I haven't used them in a while. Now don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Hey guys, I am back. My hair is washed and deep conditioned. Now I did use the shampoo of the Ancient Egyptian line, but for my deep conditioner I decided to use the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Wash a Day mask. The only reason why I decided to use this instead of, the Main Choices line, this is the only deep conditioning mask that actually works on my hair. I've tried several others. Now if y'all have some that you recommend, please let me know, but this is the only one that makes my hair feel like butter. Like, look at this consistency. Do y'all see that? Like, it's thick consistency. I love it dearly. Maybe next time I'll try the Main Choices, but every time I use their mask my hair does not like it. So anywho, we're gonna go ahead and get started. As you can see, my hair is sectioned off into 4 different sections. I have already used this line before. I made a video about it. I'll link it up here if you want to check it out. But this is when I was a new natural, didn't know much about natural hair or anything like that. And I never used the split end treatment serum, but I did get it today, just to see what it's talking about, what it's really rocking with. And I'm also going to use the glistening gold twisting gel for this wash and go as well. From my memory, it's not that it didn't work. I think I didn't like it because it was so sticky. But like I said, I didn't have the knowledge I have now about my hair and what my hair likes and what it doesn't like. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so this is what my hair looks like at the moment. So okay, it smells like the rest of the line. It's like a sweet kind of smell. The consistency is kind of thick, so we're gonna see what it does. I think this is gonna make my hair not so frizzy at the end, but I think if a person is having like frizziness at the ends, it's most likely time for them to get a trim or their ends clipped. So I'm not really sure about this product, but we're gonna try it out anyway. So next we're gonna try the gel. Okay, I remember this consistency and I do like it, so I'm gonna be very generous with it. Now I tried a little bit of this on my hair when it was dry, like before I washed it and everything. It worked really well. Like, it instantly clumped my curls, which I appreciate. Now right now I am putting a lot. I know you're like, Amber, why? Okay, it's clumping, it's clumping and whatnot. All right, I like that. I like it, Picasso. We're going to continue to work our way up from the back, moving up to the front. All right, let's get it. Hey guys, so I did speed up this process just to get through it faster, but I wanted you guys to see, the process of me doing this. Now, I will say that the split end treatment that I'm putting in on my hair right now, I think that it was unnecessary. I truly believe that if you need a split end treatment, you just need to get your ends clipped and, continue on with your healthy hair journey. But the glistening gel, I love that 100%. It glided on my hair so effortlessly and it had such an amazing hold. And we're back. What's up, you guys? Do you see the hair? First off, can we talk about this light though? Can we talk about the light? But anyway, look at my hair. This is my hair 100% completely dry. Still got some body yaddy and everything to it, but I do have a small secret to tell you guys. Don't get upset. But this is actually day 4. Yes, day 4 wash and go day. Well, wash and go hair day, whatever you want to call it, is day 4. So what happened was, when I was recording, I did not have time to record my hair completely dry because it just like would not dry. So dried it, obviously, and then just went about my days. And I was like, oh, I need to go ahead and record the rest of this video. And here we are today. But this kind of tests to let you know, hey, this product does like hold your curls. Like, look at that. That just gave me chills. Did you see the bounce back? Yeah, this is pretty impressed by this. So the Mane Choice, thank you again for, you know, making sure my hair is healthy and voluptuous and all that loveliness. Now, I will say I don't have any flakes or anything like that. I know I did use a product from the Mane Choice in one of my old videos, and it did cause flakes, but there are no flakes here at all whatsoever. So I'm super happy about that. My hair doesn't itch. I have a very sensitive scalp. It doesn't itch or anything like that. So I highly recommend the Ancient Egyptian line if you do want to check it out. But that's all I have for you guys. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more, don't forget to like, share, make, comment, and subscribe to my channel. But I'll talk to you guys later. God bless you. Peace.